Oh, nice. Got it.
You got it?
Alright, light it. Hold on. Coin. I don't see it on this one. Here, light it real quick.
Jeez,
Light it. Light it.
Dude, the thing's about to break.
Oh, man, don't tell me I broke it.
You broke it! That ain't happening! There's only gas coming out of this sucker. Dude, that's just boring. Oh! Oh!
I didn't see that.
Oh, damn!
Oh, man. There's a switch thing that I turn.
Yeah, I'm not grabbing that.
I don't see it, so it's
Freezing. What was that?
Yeah, I keep hearing stuff out here, man. I think there's a Bigfoot among us.
No, they found one in San Antonio. You hear about that, man?
They did?
Yeah.
Like a real one?
Yeah, a real one. A hobo
It's
did.
just a hairy Mexican.
It probably was, man.
Too old of a lighter. I got this. Me too.
Woo! Oh!
So you can make it. You can make it like this long, but it don't have a little switch to turn. It like lets them gas come out or something.
Dude, you want to see the gangster block?
Yeah, I can't catch. It's too dark, man.
Okay, get the one in front of me. I'm fucking my face.
Trip over.
The gangster walk, huh?
Yeah, man.
It's not working on this side. Get the lighter. Fire.
This thing is blinding me, man.
I'm gonna walk to the waterfall.
Yeah, let's walk to the waterfall, man.
Let's do this. Gangster style. I wear my pants below my waist. Oh, dang.
Running water.
You're in.
Okay. I'm gonna shut this off now.
You ready, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.